Hi guys, welcome to Studies SFDC and this is Manoj. Agenda of this video is to know about formula data type in Salesforce. Formula fields are read-only fields that automatically calculate a value based on other fields or a formula. Formula fields do not store or have actual value. They will be calculated from the fields of the same object or other linked objects. Example, we have a field for date of birth but you want to show the age. Or showing multiple data fields in a single field as a formula. Or we have a field for due date but you want to calculate the number of days for due date. Let me show you in a demo. Here I am going to take mark details object. There are three fields: math marks, science marks, GK marks. I am going to add these three values and I am going to create a formula for adding these values. Let me show you. Go to setup and object manager and choose the mark details, fields and relationships. Click new and click formula and click next. Give some meaningful name like total marks. Here we have to choose formula return type. In our case it is a number value because total marks is a number. Click next. Here you have to write formula for adding those three values. Choose GK marks and just a plus value. Likewise you have to do other fields also. You can verify the formula is correct or not using this button. Yeah, it is correct. Now you can right away save it. Now I am going to feed a new record. Now we are in the record page. You can find the total marks formula here. I am going to write another one formula to find these three person is passed or failed. Similarly, go to the object and go create a new field and choose formula. Click next. Give some meaningful name. Here formula return type I am going to choose checkbox to show whether the person is pass or not. If it is checked, he is pass. Here I am going to write a formula to check the person is pass or not. I am just simply I am taking total marks and if it is more than 150 he is pass. This formula will return true or false. If it is true, the checkbox will be ticked. If it is not, unchecked. Save it. Now I am showing you that the same record you can find the pass checkbox is ticked because the total mark is more than 150. That's all about formula, but formula is more than this. We will see other data types in our next coming videos. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.